Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for Social Security. First, you need to understand the eligibility requirements, which typically involve earning enough work credits over your career. Next, gather all necessary documents, including your birth certificate, proof of citizenship, and W-2 forms. Finally, decide on your preferred application method, whether that's online over the phone or by visiting a local office. This preparation ensures a smoother application process. Applying online is often the most convenient way to file for Social Security benefits. The online portal is user-friendly and accessible at any time. If you prefer speaking with someone, you can call the Social Security Administration's toll-free number to apply over the phone. For those who need in-person assistance, visiting a local Social Security office is an option. Just be sure to schedule an appointment beforehand to avoid long waits. After you submit your application, the Social Security Administration will carefully review all the information and documents you provided. This review process ensures everything is accurate and complete. Once a decision is made, you will receive an official letter detailing whether your application was approved and what your monthly benefit amount will be. If approved, your Social Security benefits typically begin 1 to 2 months after the approval date. When planning your Social Security, consider that delaying your application past your full retirement age can significantly increase your monthly benefit amount. Also, be aware that if you continue to work while receiving benefits, there might be limits on how much you can earn before your payments are affected. For more details on these topics and other helpful resources, check the description below. You'll also find a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.